Imagine a floating palace where people arrive by helicopter, and luxury on water feels greater than anything on land. This is Crescent, a $600 million superyacht. This isn't just a yacht. This is power in motion. A private world floating across the ocean. At first glance, Crescent doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't need to. Its sheer presence does all the talking. Stretching over 135 meters long, this superyacht is longer than a football field and taller than most buildings when seen from the water. When it moves, it doesn't feel like a boat. It feels like a kingdom gliding silently across the sea. Crescent was built by the legendary German shipyard Lürssen, a name that only exists at the very top of the luxury world. These are the people trusted by billionaires, royalty, and global power players. When Lürssen builds something, money is never the limit, precision is. And Crescent is a perfect example of that philosophy. From the outside, the design is calm but intimidating. A powerful steel hull gives it strength, while the aluminum superstructure keeps it sleek and elegant. The lines are clean, the proportions are massive. Nothing feels overdone. This yacht doesn't try to impress, it simply exists at a level where everything else feels smaller. The moment you step inside, the scale changes everything. This doesn't feel like a yacht interior. It feels like a luxury mansion floating on water. One of the most breathtaking features is the massive two-level glass atrium at the center of the yacht. Natural light pours down through glass panels, filling the interior with sunlight during the day and transforming the space into a glowing masterpiece at night. Standing there, surrounded by glass, ocean, and silence, feels almost unreal. The interior design is quiet luxury at its finest. No flashy gold, no loud colors, just premium materials, flawless lighting, and perfectly balanced spaces, polished wood, soft leather, custom-made furniture designed specifically for Crescent. Every detail feels intentional. Every corner feels calm. Crescent can comfortably host up to 18 guests across multiple luxury cabins. And these aren't just rooms. These are private hotel suites on the ocean. Each cabin has its own bathroom, its own atmosphere, and stunning sea views. Waking up here doesn't feel like waking up on a yacht. It feels like waking up inside a private resort. The owner's suite is on another level entirely. Floor-to-ceiling windows, private lounge areas, absolute privacy. This isn't a bedroom, it's a floating penthouse with the ocean as its backyard. And behind the scenes, everything runs effortlessly. Around 40 highly trained crew members operate Crescent at all times. Chefs, engineers, hospitality staff, deck crew, security. Every movement is smooth, every service is silent. Guests never see the work, only the result. Life on board feels effortless because someone else is handling everything. Now let's talk about the features that truly separate Crescent from ordinary superyachts. On the top deck, there's a fully functional helipad. Not just for show, guests can arrive directly by helicopter, land on the deck, and step straight into luxury without ever touching land. There's even a retractable helicopter hangar that hides the aircraft when it's not in use, keeping the deck clean and elegant. Then there's the swimming pool, not just any pool, a glass bottom pool. From inside the yacht, you can look up and see water floating above you, shimmering in the sunlight. From above, you're swimming while surrounded by endless ocean. It's surreal, almost impossible to describe until you see it. Below deck, Crescent turns into a private wellness retreat, a fully equipped gym with professional-grade machines, a spa designed for complete relaxation, massage rooms, a beauty salon, spaces created to slow time down and disconnect from the outside world. There's also a private cinema on board. Imagine watching a movie while cruising through open waters, the gentle motion of the sea beneath you, complete silence around you, and no distractions. No crowds, no phones, just comfort and calm. And yes, there's an elevator. Multiple decks connected effortlessly, no climbing, no effort, because at this level, convenience is part of the luxury. Despite its size and comfort, Crescent is built to travel. This isn't a yacht designed to sit in one place. Powerful engines allow it to cruise smoothly across long distances, crossing seas with ease. Whether it's the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, or remote oceans, Crescent is made to disappear from the world for weeks, even months. And that's the real appeal. Crescent represents freedom at the highest level, the ability to wake up in a different country without packing a bag, to watch sunsets from new horizons every week, to live without borders, schedules, or pressure. The yacht is also surrounded by mystery. Ownership details are carefully guarded, and while many reports link it to one of the world's most powerful figures, nothing is officially confirmed. That secrecy only adds to its legend. Crescent doesn't show off. It moves quietly, confidently, like it knows exactly what it represents. And here's the most interesting part. Crescent isn't just about money. Yes, $600 million is an unbelievable number. But this yacht represents something deeper: control over time, space, and privacy. In a world filled with noise, crowds, and constant attention, Crescent offers silence, distance, escape. Think about it. No traffic, no meetings, no notifications, no noise, just ocean, sky, choice. That's the real luxury. Every detail of Crescent is designed to remove stress from life. From the way the crew operates invisibly, to how spaces flow into each other, to how the yacht itself moves through water without effort. Everything feels smooth, natural, calm. Even when it's not moving, Crescent feels alive. At night, the yacht transforms completely. Soft lights outline its massive shape against the dark sea. Inside, warm glows reflect off polished surfaces. The ocean becomes a mirror. The sky fills with stars. It's quiet, powerful, almost spiritual. This is where deals are discussed, where decisions are made, where life slows down enough to feel real again. And that's why people are obsessed with yachts like Crescent. Not because they're boats, but because they represent a version of life without limits. A place where the world adapts to you, not the other way around. Now imagine standing on the deck as the sun melts into the horizon. The engine hums softly beneath your feet, a drink in your hand, no destination pressure, no rush, just movement forward. That's Crescent, a floating palace, a private universe. A reminder that at the highest level of wealth, luxury isn't about showing off, it's about disappearing in style. If you enjoyed stepping inside one of the most incredible yachts ever built, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into extreme luxury, insane machines, and hidden worlds most people never see. Drop a comment below. Would you live on a yacht like Crescent? Or is this level of luxury too much? And don't forget to share this video with someone who loves insane luxury as much as you do.